findeth his life shall forsake it, shall lose it. And dear be nipa yeman who say jumano, the person shall what? Lose it. Because or yaman in the idea be a yama on and no friends say juma. In the say juma ye listen aketia. Sana scripture. But when it comes to the vineyard of God, ye nyam juma and ye nyam juma. Ye son yam ye nyam juma. Because when you say that, you say to yourself that I'm doing the work of God, and I say, oh, yeah, and when I block title out there, but for in our act of worship, we are doing servantship. Then it means we become custodians of the Anyamedia Shayensa. And when you become a true custodian, then what are you trying to do? Indirectly, you are trying to obey. In obedience, what are you doing? You are giving your worship as an offering. So, everyone who says, I'm a man of God, no, we are servants. Into Brofuna catch us as servants. It doesn't tell you that a job. It doesn't give you a description as a job title. But even check the name reverence, which is Obuo Ambrasie. Servantship is always with service. What did I mention as it? Inti so obi kasa me yenya me adwuma aya dia ketua wo ho na say asase so nipa eni so title say me working out something for people to get it. So I want people to see me, but se me pese nyame fa me na adwuma yeni a workmanship of the Lord, then I'm becoming a custodian of the Lord's property, then I am a servant. So I am a worshipper. Inti ya so nyame. And Nyamene, then what he's saying that when you forsake yourself, you find me no you understand? Because ultimate go and Nyamene bo nipa say nipa be the emerson man should worship. Watch this. In nipa, because we missed that thing. Look at what we do. In praying, you are requesting. Every time you are asking. But when we ask, scripturally, you are getting to know that whenever people are praying, we have to pray through a medium, but it is only through worship or service. And I told you that worship is not only the time you are singing, but worship is a lifestyle. Because the amount will be a cremoni and 5 pillars, and ni haja or so called Nintadi or share. The amount who say Obi a budeni, ni onosu ni rose, the amount who say Obi a busumsumni, a onosu ni dressing, and in the more the attitude in Kong, in Chichahon, the Nanti and Indian did the Obedinia the other, and we are not song. So worship ourselves itself. It is not the ayati ona. Yabeka say, Obimbedi enimu frost. No. You can give praise. That is celebrating of God. We are celebrating Jesus. That is when there's joyfulness. So when the people had traveled, Miriam, any Napam for Omufa tambourine, after they started singing, they started praising, they were celebrating God. Because the ultimate reason why they left Egypt was that so that they shall go and worship their God. In the time after Moses and Egyptian Canaanite for another, the Egyptian Israel for because someone of Yahweh were Egypt. And now they were not having the true culture of what? The Israelis. In the time of Moses, now they were supposed to become worshippers. Until now God was executing judgment, instant justice. Until from Joshua Mweba, instant justice, even to the days of the prophets. Because now you know him, so in your act, in your worshiping, in everything you do, in your walking, it is a worship. So when you err, there should be a justice punishment, an instant punishment. But what did I mention as Enti Shadi you are David Yenyamesumni Inti Enesumuno and say Obedi Israel Edia Jewon in Sase Adjuwon Edua Edua town for so in the question now David decided say Afi Maminya Miankasa Mejuma by taking a bite from what I've worked for because it is mine. God said no, I'll punish you for it. I don't lead you to call Uriah. Now, apart from that, and also David is sorry, not see my men kind me soldier for many one back. And God says that this is what I'll do to you. So what kind there and also punishment the wire bonnie adding here. enya wo na wo friend na aboafo na say wo ko ama no by wo soma no so say just lead. Inti Joshua so say there na say surround inti senka what we only say it has never been about the gifts of men or the strength of men or a job of men, but it has been about men moving in the direction of God in the mind of worship. Inti sofu bia na se nyame nipa bia o leading crofo ana adwemu no media se me so nyame de bia ma ne bra ne ho ase, because ohun ne ho se ade oye ne eye som no osom, so that ni bibi oye ne offering of praise, offering of thanksgiving, offering of ade bia oye no onim se ya forebo, offering of life. Inti even the judgment mu to nipa no onim se o gina nyame enim. Inti so oni pa daily a oni nipa daily se o nyame e na o de on ne daily inti em so osom nyame na de bi o nyame enim inti ne som no mu no wan daily we nipa ne yi a weti won nyame enim. Inti ye nya nyame adwuma but ye som nyame. Ye som nyame ne som no mu no ono yi ne hu inti, because you know adwuma de ya de bi an e problem.